Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be going into a Dollar Tree and also Hobby Lobby, so hopefully they still have their 50% off sale for their Christmas stuff. But if I find enough things at Dollar Tree, I probably won't end up going there. And my daughter yesterday asked me if I could do like a pink theme in her room. She wants to decorate for Christmas. She already has like a little mini silver tree in there, but she wants to do a little bit more. So I figured I would go ahead and kind of surprise her, go out, get a few little small things, and just, you know, decorate her room. So I'm gonna be bringing you along with me to the stores, and also I will be showing you how I clean, set up, and also the final result of her room. Okay, it is so packed at this Hobby Lobby. He fell asleep already, so let me show you what I got at Dollar Tree. So I bought these right here, and then I found these. I kind of want to make a garland for her. They're really pretty. And then just pretty much that's it, because this is for, you know, the ornaments, just in case I need any for when we put our tree up. This is for the glue gun. And what else? That's it, actually. That's all that I found at Dollar Tree. Back home, I actually left my baby with my mom just so that I could finish this a little bit faster. And my husband was actually able to pick up my daughter from school, so that gives me a little bit more time. They should be getting here in like 45 minutes or so. So I'm gonna quickly show you everything that I found at Hobby Lobby. I already showed you the things that I found at Dollar Tree, so let me just show you what I found. The first thing that I found are these right here, and I feel like this color is perfect because if you watch my home goods haul, I showed a whole bunch of Christmas things that I purchased in this color. I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and take all of those things that I put in the living room in her room, so it could be all pink, and then my living room will all just be white, gray, and silver for Christmas. So I found these were $20, but everything was 50% off. And let me tell you, there was so many people and a lot of things were already pretty much gone. And then I found this really pretty sparkly bow for $9.99. You can kind of see it right here. That's her little Christmas tree, but I decided to put different ornaments on it, and I got these little ballerinas, and they're so cute. These were $5.99, but again 50% off. And then I got this right here. It's kind of like a sparkly string, and I do want to use it to maybe make a garland out of the things that I bought from Dollar Tree. And then these look like loofahs, but they're actually little tutu puffy balls for her tree. I got her a little tree skirt. I really would have preferred something else. This one has a little bit of sparkle to it, but there was the little mini tree section was completely almost sold out. Another one of those glittery bows, but in a smaller version. And then this one has a nutcracker inside, and the details of this one is just so pretty. She's been really into ballerinas. She was actually in ballet classes in the summer. And then I got this one that's like a pink sparkly heart. So everything is very girly, very pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put my hair up, and I'm a vacuum, I'm a clean the mirrors. And also another thing is that this is her room, but We switched my baby over in here with her because we want to get him used to sleeping on his own, which it's been really good. She doesn't mind it at all that they sleep together. I just have his crib right here, but this is mainly her room. But we're working on something for him. So his crib is in here. Everything is gonna be pink for the meantime, but he sleeps here. He doesn't really play much in here. So let me go ahead and vacuum, clean up all the mirrors, and then I'll go ahead and also do her bed. I did wash their sheets and everything, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to start off by cleaning all mirrors, and I actually had to clean them again after because all of the things that I had glitter and it was just a lot of fallout, but I'm kind of glad that I cleaned them before I started to decorate. That way I could get rid of the dust, and then the second time I kind of cleaned them a little bit better. I didn't really have that much cleaning to do, only because before I started recording, I took out all of their toy boxes and put them in the kitchen because I really want my daughter to go through all of her toys because I know she doesn't play with a lot anymore. I want her to go through all of them and kind of separate what needs to be donated, what she wants to keep, or what she wants to pass on to my baby, because she used to love playing with like dinosaurs and figures that were like little animals that I guess you could say they're boy toys. So that's what I'm having her do. That's why the room looks a little bit empty. Who else loves watching clean with me videos? I know I do. I don't know, for some reason it's very relaxing, very motivational as well, to kind of see other people just transform their homes, to also see, you know, like tips and tricks on how to clean your house. So I figured I would do a little clean with me today and show you a little bit before I started to decorate. And here I'm just putting on the sheets back onto my baby's crib, and then I'm gonna be moving on to my daughter's. And like I mentioned, his crib is in her room because when he was born I had him sleeping in a bassinet in our room, and then from the bassinet I had him move into this mini crib but still in our room. I want to say around 4 months, that's when I decided to start having him sleep in the room with my daughter, just so he can be a little bit more independent. I do have a baby monitor and our room is right next to theirs, so that's really no issue with leaving him alone. And here I'm just going to be cleaning up everything that I just showed you from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna go ahead and fold all of the blankets that I had washed, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put them in her closet. And if you hear some background noise right now as I'm doing the voiceover, is because I have my baby right next to me. I found her favorite book underneath her pillow. I think she does that so that her baby brother won't find it, because every time he finds her books, he wants to go through them and sometimes he accidentally rips them. I switched the chair that I had in this room. This is like a clear acrylic chair for a pink vanity chair, and this one is the perfect color for everything that I have in this room. I did show all of these things in a previous video, so what I really like to do is when I want to change in the house, I don't really have to go out and buy a lot of stuff. I can just move things around from room to room to kind of just change up the look. That's what I love to do. So I've kept these pink things in the living room for a few weeks now, but I just decided to go ahead and bring them in here and go ahead and decorate my living room a little bit more different with things that I already have. Next, I'm going to be adding the skirt to her little silver tree, and I'm going to be showing you how I finished decorating that tree at the end of the video. Then I'm going to be placing the bigger bow over the large mirror, and I feel like that looks really cute. I may even keep it even after Christmas. Then I'm going to be doing a little DIY. It's something very easy. I'm taking this string that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. It has a lot of glitter, it shines a lot, and I'm going to be adding these snowflakes onto it. These snowflakes were $1 each from Dollar Tree. I purchased 6 of them, and it was so easy. I just had to pull the string through the snowflakes, and that was it. I wasn't really sure where I was going to put it at, but then I decided to place it on her mirrored chest, and I just tied a knot behind the first drawer to kind of hold the garland in place. I then added a little bit of fake snow to this crystal container, and that was it. This is what the room looks like. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I am doing Vlogmas, so I will be having a new video every single day for the month of December. So I will be seeing you on tomorrow's video for Vlogmas Day 5.